Student, today we will discuss about definition list in HTML. So take out page number 89. Okay, but before starting this class, I just want to say that if you have any queries before this topic, then you can ask me. Okay, student. So take out your book and we will start the topic. Definition list means DL. Here you can see that the DL is closed in angle bracket. Okay, HTML definition list means angle bracket DL list are list elements that have a unique of tags and elements. Okay, it have a unique of tag means DL is used for definition list. Okay, that means DL is a unique tag of definition list. Okay, the resulting listing are similar to those you would see in a dictionary. Okay, DL list means opening, if we put angle bracket DL opening clause that defines the start of the list. It means if you can put in example, I can show you. DL list means when we start the definition list, firstly we have to feed the DL. Similarly, when we do under order list or unordered list, we have to put firstly OL or UL. Here we have to put the DL. Firstly we have to write DL, then DT. DT means list item that defines the definition term. DT means definition term. It defines the definition term. And DD means definition of the list term. Okay, DD is for definition of the list term. So here you can see that this list displays the word term DT. Okay, here DT is used in such a way that it is some just above the definition element DD to offer a very unique look. It will give the unique look of our document. Okay, for best result we suggest bolding the definition terms with the bold tag. Okay, we can bold the definition term. So this is the correct format to fit the definition list in your HTML document. Okay, student, and here you can see that the output of these examples are written as here. Format is bold, then it means cheese in French. Okay, because here the B tag are used for make it bold. Okay, and voiture is also is in bold, because you can see that the after DT B tag is used for making it bold. Okay, students, so let's turn your page and the hyperlinks in HTML. A hyperlink is a text or an image you can click on and jump to another document. Okay, if we can click on it on our hyperlink, or we can jump it on the document on another document. In HTML, links are defined with the tag A. Okay, tag A. Here you can see that the syntax of hyperlink is given here. You have to put angle bracket, then A, href means hyperlinks preference. Okay, equal to under node, under quotation we have to put our name through which we have to set the hyperlink, and then we can close it. Then you can write the name or the text in which you want to feed in your hyperlink, and then close it. Okay, here A will start and here the A will close. Okay, so this is the format how we can write a hyperlink. Firstly you have to write the HTML, then body, then paragraph, and you can see that the hyperlink is given here, and then body closed and para close, hyperlink closed, then paragraph closed, then body closed, then HTML. Here you can see that firstly we will start the HTML, last and we have to last it our document with HTML, then body, and firstly here you can see that the paragraph is taken first before the A. So here the A is closed first, then paragraph. Okay. Output. The output of this image is just look like this type. Okay, you have to see it. I will show this when in practical class you will understand this topic very well. Okay, and this is very important topic. It's not for this class, for your class 10th, for your 9th, for your future. Okay, student.